In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Elementor. If you're looking to give your website a fresh new look or just want to add a splash of color to your pages, you're in the right place. We'll navigate through the Elementor interface to achieve this, so let's get started. First things first, if you haven't already, go ahead and open up your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page you want to modify. Once you're there, look for the button that says Edit with Elementor. You won't miss it. Clicking it will take you into the Elementor editor, where the magic happens. Now that you're in the Elementor interface, you should see your page displayed exactly as it appears to your visitors. There are panels on the left that offer a variety of options. On this display, hover over the section where you want to change the background color. When you do this, a blue border should appear around that section, along with an icon showing a little blue pencil, indicating that section is editable. Click on the pencil icon to start editing the section. With the section selected, turn your attention to the left side of the screen, where the editing panel is located. In this panel, there's a tab labeled Style. Click on it, and you'll be introduced to a series of new options specifically designed to manipulate the look of your site. This is where you can alter colors, images, and other visual elements. Once you're in the Style tab, direct your gaze down to the Background section. Here you'll find a color picker. Click on the color box next to the word Background, and a color palette will open up. Now, you're free to experiment with different shades and hues. You can either pick a color manually or input a specific color code if you have one in mind. This provides both flexibility and precision in choosing your desired shade. As you choose colors, the background will automatically update in real time. So, take a moment to scroll through and see how each color looks against other elements of your page. This is a great opportunity to tweak until everything looks just right. Once you're satisfied with the changes, it's time to save your work. Head towards the bottom of the panel where you'll find the green Update button. Clicking on this ensures that your changes are preserved, and the new background color is now part of your live website. Remember, it's easy to overlook this step, so make sure it's done. And there you have it. Your background color is updated, bringing a whole new vibe to your page. If you have more sections you want to update, simply repeat the process. Feel free to experiment as much as you like until you get the look that's perfect for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped brighten up your website.